Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this espresso machine, this Expobar espresso machine. And the issue was that the pressure was going too high, and so we fixed that. You see that it just goes a little bit above 1 there, which is good. And we fixed that by replacing the pressure sensor or pressure stat. So, and then we also test the pump pressure as requested by the brew pressure as requested by the customer. And it tests with our meter, it tested at 10 bar, so that's good. That means when it's pulling a shot, it'll be at about 9 bar. And so yeah, and actually the gauge shows the same, so the gauge is working well on the machine. But that's how you check the gauge, is use an external gauge and compare. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. You can see the gauge here. It's just below 10 bar. 9.5-ish. Good shot of espresso. Test the steam. Nice steam. Hot water. Hot water is working.